Okay, so welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to prevent cross-site scripting attacks using a PHP function called HTML special chars. So this function converts special characters like greater than, less than, single quote, double quote to HTML entities. And you can see the entities just here. Now let's go to my local website, which is located in XAMPP htdocs, and make some changes. And here is a very basic site using HTML and PHP. To access the website, I will put my local IP address. So let's say a user submits a simple JavaScript code with the alert 678. And if I save and reload the page, you can see the pop-up with the number. So this means that my site is vulnerable to cross-site scripting. At this point, a user can insert a malicious JavaScript code to steal cookies or redirect users to another page. So let's see how to fix the problem. For that, I'm going to use another PHP file called preventxss.php. First, type require preventxss.php, and now you can use any function that you define in here. So I'm going to create a function called prevent and pass in a string and return HTML special chars, which is the function that converts special characters to HTML entities. So let's go ahead and pass in the arguments. The first one is going to be string. The second is going to be the flag that you use to determine the level of conversion. So I'm going to use end quotes, which encodes double and single quotes. The last option is the character encoding, and you can see here that I'm using UTF-8. Now the prevent function is completed, and you can wrap anything that you are outputting. Okay, so save the files and let's try to reload the page. As you can see, the JavaScript code is not working anymore because the function has converted the special characters like greater than, less than to HTML entities. To understand better, use right click and select view page source. And here you can see the script with the converted characters like less than and greater than. So that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.